Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade futures on Metatrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or watch list of the Metatrader 5 apps on in the screen. So now to future trade, you simply need to have a real account. So if you don't have, then just tap on the settings, which is at the bottom right corner of this watch list, and you can see there is a new account. So once you tap on it, you can add your company or your broker account in here successfully by tapping on the search bar, and you can search your broker account in here. So let me close this one for now, and I assume that let's say you have already have an account on Metatrader 5. So let's get to the codes. Now you can see there is a tons of option to trade now. So let me tap on the GBP USD, which is at the second. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a true options, trade and chart. So you can choose any of them because the process is going to be same. To make it simple, let me tap on the chart, and now you will be redirected to the chart section of the GBP USD. So now you can see there is a red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart, just at the right side of this clock icon. So once you tap on it, you can see sell and buy option just popped out from upside. So you can also see there is a deviation in between sell and buy. So let's say I want to buy for now, so just tap on the buy, and yeah, you will be able to take a future trade on Metatrader 5 successfully. So if you want to see a proof, then just tap on the trade, which is at the bottom of this chart. So once you tap on the chart, you can see I have already took my position in here in both. So if you want to delete your close your position, then simply slide it to the left, and you can see there is a 3 dots. Just tap on the 3 dots and finally tap on the close position, and yeah, you will be able to close your position from here successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can future trade on Metatrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.